Hey, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you are here looking for a way to make money online, you have found the way. You need to keep watching if you are looking to make money online. You can get paid daily for only using Google Spreadsheets. It's a quick and easy way to make money. You will have to work, but it is worth it. You could use your computer, you could use your phone, you can do it from any device, from anywhere you want, even in bed. So if you want to make money without any experience or the hassle of leaving your home, all you have to do is follow this simple strategy. You have to follow these simple steps and I guarantee you will make money. You don't need skills or experience and you can receive your money within 24 hours. That's right, 24 hours. That's very quick. This is available worldwide without skills, without experience, and it is absolutely free to sign up. Anyone in the world can join this opportunity for free. You might be asking, so how much can I earn? Is the opportunity really worth it? Here is how much you could earn per sheet. If you complete one Google spreadsheet, you could earn up to $60. That is right, $60 for 5 sheets, you could get up to $300, and for 10 sheets, you could get up to $600. That is right, $300, $600. That is a lot of money. That would be very good to buy groceries, to buy anything you need. So check it out. I will give you the way to make this money. Now, before we keep going, do me and yourself a favor and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure all the notifications are turned on so that you can know every time I have another cool video with easy ways for you to make money online. Don't miss out, subscribe, watch, and make more money online. So let's check out what one of these opportunities looks like. Here's a spreadsheet entry job. You could earn between 20 and 40 cents per cell, which is great. Now let's look at a real life example. The website I want to show you is hiresign.com. This website's purpose is to offer online work from home opportunities. It is a great website for a few reasons. First off, the sign up is absolutely free. No payment at all. Just sign up, apply, and start working. Also, timely payments, quick money. We all need it, and this is the way to get it. Plus, they have 24/7 online support. No need to wait until business hours. You can call them at any time, any day, during the weekend, at night. They will answer, they will help you out. Finally, the best global exposure. This means you can work from anywhere in the world. You can work for this website and make money no matter where you are. So make sure to stay and watch the video all the way through because I will show you step by step how to sign up, get started, and how to make money. So to get started, we go to the webpage, look to the top right where it says current openings. We will click on current openings and a drop-down menu should be visible. After you click on it, it will send you here. Now, to get started, we're going to have to submit an application. Look for the application procedure area in the page, and if you're interested in becoming an Excel freelancer, click on that button, Apply. Once clicked, it will send you to the form submission rules page. Here, you'll get a guide to submit an error-free application. It is a very simple step-by-step guide to make sure you make no mistakes while applying. After that, we go ahead to the online application form. Make sure that the information is correct and that everything is up to date so that you can get paid with no issue. You can choose a username, any username you want. You'll type your name and your last name, your age, then you'll type your email. Make sure it is correctly typed because this is where they'll send you all the information you need. Jobs, updates, everything you need will be sent here. So make sure it is correct. Make up a password. Make sure that your password is strong enough for people not to hack it. Type your mobile phone number. The next important field is select your notice period. Here you can choose when you want to start. It could be immediately, it could be 2 months from now, depending on how busy you are, but I will suggest you choose immediately. Under that, it will ask you what position are you interested in. Here you'll choose Excel sheet freelancer job. Then select your country. Remember, you can work here no matter what country you're in, all over the world, no matter where. You can work here. After that, select your current work status. Here's the second tip. I will make sure to type in freelancer in here. The reason why I suggest to type in freelancer is because you have a higher chance of getting accepted. If you type in freelancer, they'll know you have a little bit of time and you can manage your own time for you to finish the jobs you need to finish on time. So make sure you type in freelancer and you'll have a higher chance of getting accepted. Finally, you have to type in a brief description of yourself. Try to type something catchy but professional, similar to the example which talks about wanting to be accepted as soon as possible and that the work will be done in time and with accuracy. Just make sure you do type as soon as possible, and that will increase your chances. That is the third tip. If you type in within this area as soon as possible, it will increase your chances because they are looking for people who are willing to work right now. So make it short, make it sweet and attractive for whoever is reading it. Make sure you use those words and you'll have a higher chance of getting accepted. We click on the box to accept the terms of service and then we select register and boom, we are registered. Now it is time to show you how much money you could be making once you are accepted. Let's go to our Google spreadsheet here. It will look something like this. There's going to be information to be filled out in each row and column. For example, here we have columns with the participant number, a column with the weight, a column with the height, and a column with the age. Now we see that the participant number is already filled out all the way to 100. We need to fill out the remaining 3 columns with the weight, the height, and age of the participants. Now we have 3 columns and 100 rows. And if we remember earlier in the video, we said we can make from 20 to 40 cents a cell. Now let's go to the worst case scenario. Let's say we're getting 20 cents per cell. So we're gonna do the math. We take our 3 columns, we multiply it by 100 rows, and we get 300 cells. Each cell at 20 cents equals out to $60. That's right, 60 bucks just to fill out some cells. One sheet, 60 bucks. Now make sure before you start that you do this on time and you do them correctly. You have to turn them in on time, you have a time limit, and you have to do them correctly, because if you do them correctly and you turn them in on time, you're gonna have a higher chance to get hired again. You want to get hired again because you wanna make more money online. So do a good job, turn them in on time, and make sure that the client is happy with your work. The better job you do, the more people on the website will trust you and they will give you jobs. Obviously, every job is different and some of them are harder than others. This is just an example of something you could find in here, but make sure you read the instructions, you do what's asked, and do the job correctly. So, to summarize the entire video, if you want to make money online, one of the ways to do it is to go to hiresign.com. Remember, you can sign up from anywhere in the world and you can start making money soon. Just apply, sign up, make sure your information is correct, and you will start making money soon, up to $60 per sheet. Now, there's other ways for you to make money online. There's other places that offer these opportunities and other kind of opportunities. Even here in HireSign, we see there is other type of jobs. So if you want to learn more about making money online, you can come visit us, you can come see our page. We will be posting more videos about making money online. We will be updating you on all the ways to make money online and how you can support yourself through your home, through your computer, through your devices, from the comfort of your bed. Thank you very much for watching. We are very glad to have you here. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you can, please hit that like, hit that subscribe. We really appreciate it. Come back in a few days and watch our new videos. We will be updating you on the best and easiest ways to make money. Thank you very much. Have a great time. We hope to see you again. Take care.